Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means that we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Oh, we have a cross stitch kit here. Get this out. All right, this kit comes from FGNormal, and sorry about that, from FGNormal, and if they have any kind of discount codes or any specials, or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's take a look at this kit. I thought it was gorgeous, and it does come in the lovely plastic, I guess, package envelope. Yeah, very nicely done. Whoop. Oh, that's on the inside. I can't get to it. So this is it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those gorgeous flowers. Now this is going to be a partial. It is 11 count. Nope, it's 14 count. I'm sorry, 61 by 61. So, yeah, quite big. It's going to have a little bit of back stitching. I'm not sure how extensive that is yet. It does come with instructions on how to start, how to finish. And let's take a look over here. I'm going to remove this staple here just a second. All right, I didn't want to run it through my hand. So we have a lovely booklet. Okay, there's going to be back stitching in a few of the flowers and some of the leaves, but very well printed, very easy to see symbols. There'll be 2 sets of symbols. The paper pattern will not match the canvas. This is 281 by 281 in stitches. So not all the flowers are like back stitched around, because you see this one isn't, but some of the leaves and stuff. Very nice. Let's see how many colors this has and what it has going on. Okay, we have 52 colors. This booklet is also broke down, before we get to colors, into 6 parts and 6 pages. So it has a page number at the bottom of each page and section to tell you where and what to look for. So if you wanted to just work on this section, then you could. All right, back to the numbers. We have full cross stitch, mixed stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. So 52 colors in total in full stitch. You have 5 colors in mixed stitch and 1 in half stitch. That must be like the background shading type stuff here. And 5 colors in back stitch. So like I said, not everything is fully back stitch. You even have butterflies in this. And of course the inscription and the stamp are done in back stitch. Very nice, very nice. We have no 310 black. We have 666 red. No 823. We have 996, which is that turquoise color. Not sure where that's gonna end up. Oh, maybe in the butterfly. Okay, I see. And we have 3371, which is a dark brown, and 3865 for the white. Very nice. Very nice. Just very antique looking. I do like the way that looks. Let's take a look. Now, these are Egyptian cottons. I didn't know that, but since it's 14 count, Egyptian. I can tell by the way that the thread feels. So awesome. That's another bonus. Look at all those greens and bright reds. We have some magentas. We have kind of a bittersweet looking color. Pale pinks, pale yellow, pale green. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just absolutely stunning. I can't get over the amount of greens and the shades of green. There's your 3371 and 3865 here. Just all shades of green. Ugh. And then all the bright colors to pick those up. Awesome. Yeah, I'm thrilled that this is Egyptian cotton. I don't have a problem with it. Okay, let's take a look at the canvas. I want to get to that silica pack to keep it dry. You put it someplace where I know the cat cannot get. If she can get her head in that, she's doing better than me, because, whoops, we don't need that anymore. I like how they package their canvases separate. Very nice. So this is a fair good size canvas. It is serged all the way around. Just stunning. Let me turn it around, guys. Sorry. Gotta get it going in the right direction. But is that not beautiful? Gorgeous, gorgeous canvas. Now, I wanted to show you one more thing. I knew there was something I forgot. The numbers on the outside go to the canvas. The numbers on the inside go to the paper pattern. So, just so you know that ahead of time. But beautifully printed. Just absolutely stunning. I can hardly wait to start on this. Just gorgeous. I'm going to fold it in half so I can bring it up a little bit closer. Let's see, which way does it go? See how nice and crystal clear that is? It's just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. See if I can measure this puppy. We'll try. What can I say? Well, the butterflies aren't as small as I gave them credit for. They're at least 2.5 inches big. But those flowers are just gorgeous. Almost 62 centimeters or 24.25 inches by, hang on, trying, 60 centimeters or, oh gosh, almost 23.75 inches. The actual picture size is 51 centimeters or 20 inches by, let's see if we can do this again, 50 centimeter, that's approximation, or 19.75 inches. So it's a very good size. It'd be lovely for a nice big haul, like at the end of a haul. We don't have one of those, but it'd be gorgeous that way too. And one great big wall, you could put this beautiful picture on it. And if you had done any more peonies, then you could put them all together. But I just can't get over how crystal clear this is. Just stunning. You have serging all the way around. Nice big key where you can see all the symbols. And then at the bottom, if I could fold it in half, you have your mixed colors and your back stitching. Now they only list 2. I don't understand why. Thought that there was more than 2 back stitches. There are. They only list 41 and 42. I don't know. They're weird when they do that. But it is on the paper pattern, so you don't have a problem there. No French knots. Amazing, but true. Just gorgeous. Oh, yep, we'll be starting this today at 1. So join me at 1 for a stitch with me on that. Now, FGNormal does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have beaded cross stitch and silk cross stitch. And they have lots and lots to choose from. They always have great prices, great shipping. So do check them out. Thank you, FGNormal, for this stunning kit that I can hardly wait. Yeah, I can hardly wait until this afternoon's stitch with me. Thank you, everyone, for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.